Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is Miss Jane Oandasan. Okay, so our next topic for today is all about the YouTube. Don't you know that if you have a lot of subscribers and watch in YouTube, then you can gain a lot of money in YouTube? Alright, so let's find out how it is. Paano nga ba kumita ng pera sa YouTube? So abangan nyo po ito at sasabihin ko po sa inyo kung ano po ang sikreto, okay? Kung paano tayo kikita ng pera sa YouTube. Before you can create your own channel in YouTube, then you need to have a Gmail first. If you don't have a Gmail, then here I'm going to show you how to create your own Gmail or your own Google account. Okay, so let's go to google.com. Alright, so it's ready. And then now, if you have your own, then go to sign in. Or if not, then go to Gmail. Click Gmail. Okay, so there it is. It's ready. So let's wait. Alright, so there it is. So if you want to go with your own, if you have it, go to your email or use another account. And then click create account for myself. And then put your name. So since my name is Jane, so I will put my name Jane. And then my last name is Oandasan. And then my username. So whatever username you want to do. Alright, so for example, my username is Jane Oandasan. Okay, so there's already Jane Oandasan for sure. So I'm going to put any number in the last digit. So I'm going to put 8 in it. Okay, so it would be jane1008@gmail.com. Okay, so there it is. Alright, and we created already our username, so let's put now the password. Okay, so let's go to the password and then put some password in it. And then confirm the password. Okay, there you go, and click next. And then put the phone number. So that's optional actually. So for example, I'm gonna just put number. Okay, so for example, my number is in the Philippines, so I'm gonna put Philippines and then put maybe my number. Okay, my number maybe is 1. Okay, this one 195913167. Okay, and then I'm gonna put also my recovery email address. That's optional actually. Okay, so I'm gonna put it smartk14@gmail.com. And then for example, my birthday, okay, which one is my birthday? Okay, let's say February. Okay, there you go. And then 14, and then for example, my year is 1986. Okay, and then my gender is female. There you go. And then click next. Alright, and then not now, don't verify it yet. And then I can agree the terms and conditions. Alright, so let's wait. Okay, so we already created a Gmail. So that's the Gmail already. So we can use now the YouTube. Alright, so now let's click that one and then proceed to YouTube. Okay, so we're going to create our new channel now. So there you go, that's the youtube.com. And then to create your YouTube channel, just click the name over there or the profile. Okay, click that. And then click create a channel. Okay, there it is. And then let's get started. And then let's make use the custom names. It's up to you if you want your a brand name or your own name. Okay, so let's select the brand name and then let's create a channel name. So for example, our channel name is Adventure TV. Okay, there we go. And then click the understand that you understand it, and then create. Okay, so there you go. We have our own channel now. Okay, so that's the Adventure TV. Always remember your channel, okay? So that if you're gonna search for your channel, of course, you know what it is. Alright, so we have already our own channel. Alright, so it's rather nice work. Your channel Adventure TV has been created. Before we proceed, like and subscribe my channel. Just click the thumbs up and then click also subscribe and notify yourself by clicking the bell, and then type your question here in the comment and then comment. Alright guys, so welcome back. So the third step now is upload your video. Okay, so you need to click your profile there and then click YouTube Studio. And then click your channel, Adventure TV. Okay. Or you can also use upload video there. Alright. Then click upload video. Then select file. And then select the video that you want to upload. Alright, then open. And then let's wait for a while. And then put your title. What title do you like? So for example is my sample video. And then tell any descriptions that you like here. Okay, so just a sample video. Click not, it's not made for kids. And then you can click also more options. It's up to you. And click next. Alright. Click next. Click also the public. It should be public, okay, if you want to publish. And this one is your link. Alright, now click publish. Okay, so let's wait until it will be published. Okay, there you go. It's 98% upload and 100% uploaded. So let's wait. Okay, so it is finished processing already. Okay, so now let's close. And then there you go. So we have the video already there. Now the next step now is we need to monetize it. So you need to click the monetizations there, or the dollar sign, and then you can see there that you're not yet qualified. So you need to click your video. Okay, so there you go. So we need to watch your video. Alright, there you go. And after that, we need to go to your profile again. Click the profile and then click the YouTube Studio. Then click again the monetization or the dollar sign. And then there you go. You can see here, grow with YouTube. And okay, anyway, you need to have 1,000 subscribers and you need also 4,000 watch hour, okay, in public. And then after that, notify me when I'm eligible so that the YouTube will notify you. And then next step is you need to know about the analytics, okay, the use of analytics. Yeah, there you go. So for example on mine, so you can see there the overview, the reach, the engagement. Yeah, audience and revenue. So you can see all the watching hours in here as well, okay? And then your subscribers you can see here as well. All right, and those are the watch hours, okay? Yeah, you can see the impressions, you can see everything is in the analytics. So the use of YouTube analytics is, to get some feedback from your viewers, what topic or what content it is really, really good for them. So from here, you can improve yourself. You can improve what topic you want to continue. If your video become viral, then you can license your content. You can exchange with money. So for example, the TVs or medias or other creators will contact you to have some rights to use your videos. And so if you have an steady subscribers or viewers, then you can step up as well, so you can be a YouTube partner. So what is the requirements here is you need to have 15,000 cumulative watch hours for your channel over the last 90 days. So now if you are YouTube partners, you have an access to more creation tools, community support, and tips, and can even win prizes. And then of course, you can have also start selling your own merchandise once your channel starts to become more prominent. So that's good for a YouTube. This is really, really cool, especially for your subscribers, and then of course for yourself, for your bank account. So from here you can also gain a lot of subscribers because you can um, satisfy their needs. And from this YouTube as well, you can also sell other people's products as an affiliate marketer. That means that you are selling, through commissions. That even the big companies, the eBay, the Amazon, or whatsoever, big companies, they are also using YouTube partners, to promote their products. Alright, so that's all from now. Okay, so till the next tutorial again. Thank you so much once again. This is Miss Jane Oandasan.